Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the app because iOS does not offer a universal per-app sound chooser. Many apps provide their own. First, update the app and grant notifications. Then open the App Settings or Notifications panel and look for Sound, Alert Tone, or Notification Tone. Tap that option now and review available tones. This step is essential because if the app lacks a sound setting, the iPhone's global controls won't let you pick a different tone for that specific app. Once inside the app sound menu, listen through the available tones and pick one that stands out for you. Tap the tone to preview, then choose Save, Apply, or Set as Notification Tone. Make sure the app asks for and has permission to send notifications. Without that, the tone won't play. After applying, exit the menu and verify the app's notification style is set to use sound rather than silent banners. Doing this ensures the system will actually play the selected tone. Finish by testing. Trigger a test notification from the app or ask someone to message you. If the chosen sound doesn't play, force close and reopen the app, then reboot the iPhone. Sometimes settings need a restart to apply. If it still fails, confirm iOS is up to date and reinstall the app. Key troubleshooting tip. If the app has no internal sound setting, there's no supported way to set a unique app sound on iPhone. Contact the app developer to request that feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.